I am Mr. L. I am the number one. I have my own dark side. Killing people. Wait, no. Oh yeah, it was beating up people, so yeah. And I beat up people. Shut up! Whatever. You think I'm acting like a teenager years. Shut up! Because I am Luigi, number one! Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's me, Chuck E. Cheese. Hey Luigi, shut up. Oh. Get your own life.
Yo, what's up with Luigi? Why is he acting like that? Shut up! You shut up!
Oh, mamma mia, what a beautiful day. Ah. Hey, what the heck, man? Why? What did I do? You are on my way, Mario. Oh, hey, Luigi. Don't call me Luigi, you stupid jerk. What you moving, you stupid jerk? This is what he get, people. This is what he get. No more Mr. L. He's dead.
Why? You deserve it, Luigi. Shut up, Mario. Wait, no. Yo, what up, baby? Wanna go on a date? Be a creep! Ow! Get out of here! Why do people always hate me, Luigi?
Because you're a weirdo.
Shut up!